Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Do you want to know about SEOs.com? If yes, then watch this unbiased review because we are going to share unbiased reviews so you may know about the legitimacy of this website. As people from United States are very curious to know about the legitimacy of this website. SEOs is an e-commerce based website that mainly sells various types of ladies garment. They mainly sell high sleeve dress, maxi dress, tuxes long dress, ruffles, party dresses, and many more. They also even claims that they are the website that provides these dresses at low price. But question is for their legitimacy. So let's check out their legitimacy. It is an e-commerce based website that mainly sells ladies garments. HTTP secure website. For shipping, they took 1 to 3 working days. You can enjoy free shipping over the order of $50 plus. You can exchange and return the product within 30 days of receiving your product. They have mentioned the email address. They are accepting different payment methods. It was created on 7th July 2021. Its age is less than 6 months. Let's check out the positive point of the website. Like all the important information have been uploaded on the website. The important information is shipping policy, refund policy, payment methods, and exchange policy. They provide ladies garment at low price and have lots of colors available. Products are affordable and the range product is less than $60. They provide photos and genuine description about products on the website. Easy to understand user interface. Anyone can access this website very easily. They also provide a decent shipping service to attract customers. The negative point of the website are the website only supplies their product across the world, but shipping services are limited. They don't have a vast collection. The website mainly sells the same product. The website sometimes deliver products that do not match with the photo that they uploaded on their website. They even deduct a few percentage of money like the VAT and other taxes will while you choose to refund it. No reviews have been posted by customer of this website. It's tough for us to judge out the quality of the product because no reviews have been published. So here question came in mind, is ASOS legit? As we discussed, the domain is recently created with short expectancy date. Trust score is just 1%, which is poor, and it will be tough for client to trust. No social media accounts available like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter. No customer feedbacks or comment have been found online on this website. The website does not even claim have Alexa ranking, and it is not at all popular over the web. As far as reviews are concerned, we all know customer reviews give us a huge help to decide about the legitimacy, but this website does not have any customer review. No one has posted anything about this website over the web. More importantly, no social media handle is present on this website. No popular review making site don't even put a review about this website. They have lots of payment methods also. So in our final verdict, we can say that we are now in a wait and watch situation about this website. We have also discovered many advantages of this website, but it is still tough to trust this website.